Welcome back to the Gist English Masterclass. Today, we're diving into something we all have to do: talk about our work. But here's the thing: the goal isn't just to list off your tasks. It's about sounding clear, professional, and honestly, really confident in what you do.
Just look at the difference here. On the left, you have I do emails, meetings, and reports. It's fine. But then look at the right side. It's so much more vivid and professional. It uses powerful verbs and shows a clear flow. That's what we're aiming for today, turning that vague description into a vivid one.
So here's our game plan. We've just seen the difference between vague and vivid. Now we're going to cover how to start your day strong, communicate like a pro, manage your core tasks, and finally, how to put it all together to tell your daily story. Okay, let's jump right in. How you describe the start of your day says a lot about you. The right words can show that you're organized, you're proactive, and you're in control.
So, first up, instead of saying you look at something, try using the word review. It sounds so much more professional, doesn't it? It suggests you're not just glancing at something, you're carefully examining it.
For instance, saying "I review my calendar" sounds way more intentional. It's a tiny change, I know, but trust me, these little details really add up and affect how people see you at work.
Ooh, here's another great one: prioritize. Using this word shows that you're not just reacting to whatever comes your way. Nope, you're thinking strategically and deciding what's most important. That's a huge skill.
And check this out, you can combine them. This sentence right here, it tells a little story about someone who was completely in control and ready to tackle the day.
All right, next up is communication, which, let's be real, is a massive part of almost every office job. Using really precise language here is absolutely key to showing how professional you are.
Okay, follow up with, this phrase is your best friend. It shows you're proactive and you don't let things fall through the cracks. You're not just firing off an email and hoping for the best, you're seeing it through.
Here's a perfect real-world example. This little sentence says so much. It says you're reliable, you pay attention to detail, and you take full ownership of your work.
The verb update is another critical one. It's all about teamwork and keeping your boss in the loop. It shows that you're a clear and effective communicator.
A simple, clear sentence like this, it's exactly what your manager wants to hear. It proves you get how important it is to keep everyone on the same page.
And, of course, meetings. You don't just do meetings, right? You attend them, maybe you lead them, you take notes, you present new ideas, or you discuss important issues. Using the right verb makes your role crystal clear. If you are following the explanation, then click the like button.
Now we're getting to the heart of it, your main responsibilities. We want to use words that really capture the scope of what you do with projects, clients, and all that digital work.
Here's a super easy but powerful swap. Instead of saying "I do," start saying "I manage." The word manage just carries more weight. It implies control, organization, and a higher level of responsibility. I mean, think about it. I do client accounts sounds a bit passive, but I manage several client accounts? Now that sounds active and authoritative. It instantly makes your work sound more significant.
Coordinate is another fantastic word. It's perfect for when you're working with other people, bringing different parts of a project together. It highlights your collaboration and organizational skills. And let's not forget all of our digital tasks. We don't just work on the computer, you know? We upload documents, we update the database, we enter customer details, we share and back up files. Getting specific like this shows you're totally competent and know exactly what you're doing.
All right, this is it, the grand finale. We've collected all these great words and phrases. Now let's put them all together to build a clear, compelling story about your day. You know, the key to telling a good story is having a solid structure. Think of these words: first, then, after that, as your guide. They walk the listener through your day in a logical way that's super easy to follow.
But wait, before we build our story, a quick but really important grammar tip. When you're talking about routines, things you do every day, you want to use the present simple tense. So it's I check my emails, not I am checking. Simple as that.
So look at how this all comes together so nicely. We start with first, we move to then, and so on. We've got our strong verbs in there like review and attend. This isn't just a boring list of tasks anymore, it's a professional snapshot of a really productive day.
And if you really want to take it to the next level, check out this model. It uses amazing phrases like I manage a range of daily responsibilities and I regularly coordinate. It frames your daily work in the bigger picture of your overall role. It's so much more impactful, right? See you in the next class.